I was looking for a method to print my Canva slides. I like to make myself a little handout when I do a presentation. And so I'm coming from Microsoft PowerPoint. I wanted to do something similar, but it's really not set up for that in Canva at the moment. So what I have done, I've come up with a couple of solutions for you. When you go to share and you download, I've downloaded it two ways to show you this afternoon. So I did a PDF and I included my notes. I also downloaded it as a PowerPoint, and let's see if it took the notes with it. And I've got notes on different slides. Here I've got it open on this first one. So let's go test and see what it's done. I've got these downloaded, and let me move my tools here. And let's start with the PDF format. What this is going to do is give me each individual presentation slide on its own page with my notes that I included. Let's see how it did. This one had more notes. Okay. So it is giving me page 2 of so many. Okay, so I don't want to print these whole pages. That would be a lot. So let me look at some multi-page prints within the PDF environment. So going there now, File and Print. And then the options that I found that I think will work best for us are to do multiple pages for your print. And I think I'll do a landscape version, multiple pages. Let's do custom. Let's do 6 on a page. Okay, that would work. Portrait style. And I could still print on both sides. So that gets me down 6 to a page. There you go. That gives me down to 4 pages. So front and back, it's down to 2 pages. And that's enough for me to see and jot any kind of problems or things if I have when I'm doing that. So that's going to be one of my methods. I like that method for printing out all my slides with a little bit of my notes. I don't use too many notes, but sometimes I like the page number and things to jump around. So let's look at my other option. I did also a PowerPoint. Now bringing the Canva presentation over to PowerPoint, I won't get any animations. No animations, no transitions. And one thing that I don't love when I bring it this way is that the slide setup doesn't come so inserting new slides, I would have to duplicate an individual slide to be able to do something similar and edit from here. But for the most part, it translates okay. And if you're ready to add your transitions and animations, this will work. But I could also, from here, File, Print, I could do kind of those handouts that I like, that I'm used to from here. I like to do something like this when it's numbered. This also gets me down to just 4 pages where I can, now I see I've got some font problems where some things wrapped funny, but no big deal. This would be another way that I could print, but I did not. Let's see if it got notes. Did it get notes? Notes, there they are. Oh, I see them. The notes did show up. Okay, so that's good news. The notes came over, and you could print your handouts, and just depending on what you need. Let's do notes page. Okay, that would work. See, the layout of them are funny when they come over. So I'd have to fuss with that a little bit. But the other way worked great. I like this one here. That works for the way my brain works. So anyway, I hope that helps you. Have a great day.